was the second car we've done at the new shop.
Everybody, welcome to the new Parker Performance. It's a 2-bay garage. This is going to get cleaned out. They're working on a car over there right now. Got the game on. This is going to be the office. Has air conditioning and a bathroom, and it's going to be actually pretty big. It's going to be for like the kids and stuff. Mostly Josh's children, of course. And then, only thing is, they're releasing the driveway, but it's all smooth. So there's this, which will be, like I said, a little more than 2 car. Another one right there, working on a customer car right now. And just to give you an example how deep it is, when we're walking in, the garage is pretty deep, which is awesome. But all it has to get cleaned out. This is my new best friend. I'm sure Josh enjoys the fan too.
Yes.
So I'm sure what Josh is gonna do, or what I'm sure is gonna happen, change the lights, make them hella bright.
Yeah, we're gonna put a ton of lighting in.
And then we're getting both sides?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We're in the process of cleaning all this out. We're gonna turn the apartment building into a little playroom for my daughter. Yeah. We're gonna move some shelving around. This stuff's gonna be where we put like all the fluids and such.
Right.
We obviously got some pretty big machinery, compressors, parts washers, actually fuel pumps, the whole 9 yards, sandblasters. We're gonna try and line all of the machinery up through here. Okay. So what we're gonna do in turn is, you can see we've also got presses, drill presses. What we're gonna do in turn is we're gonna pull one of these shelves out from back here. We're gonna put that outside with our, we're gonna actually take the sandblasters and stuff, put them outside, and we're gonna have that there so you can put your materials on there and stuff. And then what we're gonna do is we'll have that whole wall for shelving. And then what we'll do is we'll make this area, we're gonna put the tables across here. That way that's gonna be like the workspace from there back. Okay. That way we can work on stuff.
Like assembly and...
Assembly, exactly right. And then that way we'll have machinery and tools, tabletops, workbench areas for working, and then obviously all that will be for supplies and stuff. Right. So just got some work to do.
So like I said, this wall's pretty much not going to change. You're going to have full there. Tires are probably going to stay. The cool thing is there's an awesome property across, but it's for sale. So nobody's there, so nobody's going to bother us as far as noise complaints are concerned. And the most awesome thing is the guy that's letting us rent this space, obviously he's into cool stuff. So once this is all gone, the cool thing is at that point we can double duty as far as work is concerned, which is the most important part. Like I said, stuff like this is gonna go, this is obviously gonna get out, this is gonna go, this is, like I said, gonna be more for office / play space for Josh's youngest. And then back here, this is all gonna get cleaned out, or we're gonna help organize this better. And then we'll have a big old workspace. So this is a result of us, you can call this an upgrade. And the cool thing is, you know, we can park cars way over there, have a car in here, have a car in here. You can see the van up there. That's Amanda's current situation. And even, you know, I don't know what this was at whatever point, but it's rusted the hell out. That's a lawn ornament now. But this, ladies and gentlemen, is the new home of Parker Performance.
the big rig, set sail. We'll see what happens. For whatever reason, we just spent, I don't know, like $3,600 going through everything. New fuel system, new fuel tank, new fuel sending unit, new fuel pump, new pickup, new lines, you name it, it was new. And truck drove like a freaking raped ape on the way home. And then went to move it and wouldn't move, wouldn't start. So she's on her way back to Dave at Innovative Diesel Specialist, and he says he's gonna make it right for me. So hopefully that's the case, and we can get back on the road with the tow truck and finally have a new daily that's reliable and good to go. Because I don't want to be driving that damn thing everywhere all day, every day. I kind of do, but like, I've already put a bunch of miles on it, so. Other than that, we've got Eric coming to get this. Did you give them the lowdown on our situation here?
I have not.
All right, so we lowered this car in January. It's almost October, so it's been like 10 months. And the car developed a squeak in the last handful of weeks. And he brought it into Ford to have them check to see what was wrong with it. And there's a rubber isolator that the spring goes down in the cup of, and that isolator had completely failed and fallen over, and the spring had pushed out and was actually rubbing on the strut itself, the cup of the strut. So metal to metal obviously creaks, squeaks, makes noise, etc. So we just did a full replacement for him on this. We did all BMR SPO80 front and rear springs and new front struts off of an 18 GT that only had, I think, 6,000 miles on it. So he's getting a newer strut. The car has like 32,000 miles on it, and a better spring than what was on the car. And we just got it here, and it was filthy dirty. I don't think he washed it probably in the last 7 months. So we just washed it. I mean, we're not detailing it by any stretch of the imagination, but at least wanted him to get it back and be proud to drive it home. So just finishing the old girl up, and he's on his way to come get her. So this was the second car we've done at the new shop. So super excited to be there and working and doing jobs over there. So stay tuned for more of that. I'm sure Sanders has been recording over there. So I think that's it for now. What do you think, Sanders?
Sounds about right.
Replicate the way it was built on the factory side. So the first thing you're going to do, actually when you get it, you're going to have this retaining clip will be on here. You need